What's up, my loves? Welcome, and what's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, how y'all doing, baby? What y'all doing today, girl? So I used to unbox this box, Chic Beauty, a while back. For some reason, they took me off their PR list. I wasn't sure why. Check my post office box, and boom, I get this. So I'm like, okay. So we're gonna be unboxing Chic Beauty box for, I'm not sure what month this is, but I'll know probably once I open the box. So if you guys wanna see this, make sure you stay right there, baby. Oh, I know you better like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're not gonna waste no time, babe. We're gonna get right on into it. This is a bonus video for that ass boo, so there will be no shout outs in this video, but I do appreciate you guys checking your girl out. It means the world to me. Now, Chic Beauty box. Let's get some specs on this little baby right here. I have not watched any unboxings of this box in a while, and I'm glad that they sent it over to me to unbox. I mean, I love to get free stuff, right? So this one, guys, is described as a box with just makeup, and that's it. You're gonna get 5 to 6 full-size makeup products every other month for only $34.99. I do think you have to pay shipping. I don't know if I have a code. I used to have a code. I'll see if it still works. If it does, it'll be down below, guys. So without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo. A dance break with this old ass Corona. Beer. Alrighty, lovies, let's open it. It says Chic Beauty box right there. We open her up. That's what she looking like. Let's set her on down. All right, I hope you guys have checked out all of my other unboxings that I've done this month, because I have been pumping these videos out. Okay. All right, so this is the September-October box, and we get a card that lets us know you can get variation 1 or 2, and I will definitely let you know which variation I got, loves. Let me show you a quick little inside look, and we're gonna pull out first product, like right now. First product comes from Cover FX. These are the glitter drops right here. Love it. This is in the shade Aurora. Ooh, okay. I think I got some of these a while back in like a boxy charm. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is very pretty. So I think this is like highlighting drops, right? So you can kind of highlight your cheeks and your nose, your shoulders, your chest area. So I do like that. The color is absolutely divine. I think I need to, ooh, I don't, let's try it. If it doesn't work, I'll pass it to my sister. Oh, wait, let me see. So it comes with a dropper. I think my dropper is broken. Let me see. Squeeze. Okay, nothing is coming out. I'll just tap it. It's not coming out, y'all. So I think the dropper is broken. All right. Ooh, oh, okay, now this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. See how it has that purple reflect and pink, green? It's all kind of colors in one, and it's really like glittery. It's gorgeous. Now that is very pretty. I do like that. Oh, I sprayed it all over my arm. Let's see what this one retails for, and they are $44 for these drops. Now I'm not sure, are these still available? I don't know. All right, let's move to our second product. Product number 2 comes from Cover FX again, and this is the Shimmer Veil. There we go right there. That's the packaging. We have the shade Moonstone. Okay. Oh, it's a lipstick. So that's what it looks like, my loves. I think this is like a lipstick. All of these Cover FX products are kind of like dry. I don't know. So let's see. Open it, and it looks, you know, it got a little chunk there that I'll put back. It's a nice metallic-y, pinkish color lipstick, but it looks like it's kind of might be a little dried out. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you have to do like this. Okay. I don't know. Y'all see? Like it's dried. I don't know. But this right here, my loves, retails for $28 for the Shimmer Veil. And I think it's actually like, I guess you can use it as a lipstick or as like an eyeshadow as well. So, okay. Cool. All right, next product comes from MAC, and this is the from the Aaliyah collection. This is called Street Thing right here. I think this is a lipstick. All right, let's see. All right, that's the Signature MAC Bullet Lipstick. I love the packaging, very pretty. Oh, okay. Okay, y'all know what I gotta do. I'm gonna take this off and put this on. I'll be right back. All right, just drew some quick little black liner on, and we're gonna put this on and see. Oh wait, let me try to warm it up on my hand a little bit. Okay, so once we warm this baby up on our hand, it did go on a little bit like with a little tug, but I really do like, y'all, I love a black mouth. Like I really do. I love it. This lipstick is, yeah, I like it. It's got a nice little shine to it. It's not totally matte. I love this. And this one is, okay, I don't have it on my list. So I'm not sure how much this is. I'll look it up though on MAC's site and let you guys know. I don't have this one. You could either gotten the KVD, KVD or MAC lipstick. I'm sorry guys. So I have variation number 1. This one is 21 buckaroos. All right, 2 more products, loves. Next up we have from Fusion Beauty right here. It is a Lip Fusion Infatuation. And this is in Pucker Lip. No, Pucker Lip. Pucker Up, girl. Oh, okay, so this is the shade right here, a nice pinky color. I will definitely put this one in a giveaway, my loves. This retails for $9.99 for this one. Okay, cool. Nice color. I do like that. I'll just pass this on to someone that I know will use it. And then our last product right here, loves, comes from Revlon, and this is the Photo Ready Sunlit Dream Highlighting Palette. All right, so let's cut it open. It has a little tape on it. So after I opened it, girl, it took a long time. We get a mirror. Hey, love. And let's put this over it so you guys can see. This is a highlighting palette right here, love. So we have 2 of the deeper shades here with the lighter shades there. My lights are kind of bright, guys. It's kind of drawing it out a little bit. I won't swatch this because they are a little light for me. I'm sorry about the lights, guys. That's a little better right there, yeah. So you're able to see. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to definitely put this in a giveaway. These are beautiful shades, but I think they may be a little bit too light for me. And these right here, my loves, retails for $9.99. So that was our final product. I'm gonna hold up all 5 products for you guys really quickly. These 5 came in the box, guys. I did have variation number 1, and when I added everything up, it came up to $117.98. So final thoughts on this box is I'm glad that Chic Beauty decided to send me over a box to unbox. I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. As far as the box, it definitely lived up to its name. Just makeup, and that's it, because that's all that we got in this box was makeup products. So for my beginner / makeup lovers, this box would actually be really good for you because they gave us a lipstick. They gave us actually 2 lip products. We got some shimmer products from Cover FX and then a highlighting palette. So this month must be all about the global. Yes. So if you want to check them out, guys, I'll put their link down below for you guys. I will definitely see if my code works to save you guys some money. But I do want you to let me know what you thought about this box. I thought it lived up to the name. Makeup heavy. And that it is. And it's a bi-monthly box, which is really good too in case you're overloaded on product. So yes, my loves, that's all that I have. I wish you would consider subscribing if you have not done so already. Give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Talk to me in the comments. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. And that's all I have. Social medias are down below, and Chic Beauty's website will be down below as well. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Be blessed. Bye, loves.